In this video, we will learn how to create subscribers from MS Excel to Pabbly email marketing automatically. So let's say you are adding the subscribers details to MS Excel which you are getting from different sources, and this is how you are creating a list. Now you want that whenever the subscriber detail is added to this application, it should automatically create a subscriber in Pabbly email marketing software as well, so that you do not have to manually upload the list to the software for sending emails every time. To do this automation, I'm going to connect these two software with the help of an automation software. So just follow this video till end, and you can also set this automation for yourself with any email marketing software. To automate the process of list uploading, I'm going to connect MS Excel and email marketing software with the help of an automation software, Pabbly Connect. You can reach here by typing pabbly.com/connect. I will also attach the link in the description box. Now first create your account, which is absolutely free, and you will also get free task to test this automation in the free account. Now click on access now, and you will see I will reach to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, from where I'm going to start creating my automation. Now first click on this blue button, create workflow, and provide a name to your workflow, to your automation. Let's say I am giving the name as add subscribers from MS Excel to Pabbly email marketing. Okay, click on create, and you will see two boxes in front of you, trigger and action. Trigger means let me show you when this happens. Action means do this. When this happens, do this. So basically we need to select the application in which we need to set the automation. According to our use case, we want that whenever the subscriber is added to MS Excel application, create a subscriber in Pabbly email marketing application. The process of uploading the subscriber, which I am going to tell you, will be same with other email marketing software also. So let's say if you're not using Pabbly email marketing as an email marketing tool, you can still follow this process if you are a user of MailChimp, Constant Contact, ActiveCampaign, etc. Okay, in trigger event, I want that whenever the new row is added in worksheet, basically whenever the new subscriber is added in your worksheet. Now click on connect and click on add new connection. So basically we are going to connect Microsoft Excel with Pabbly Connect first, so that we can capture the detail here, and then further we can send these details to email marketing software. Now click on connect with Microsoft Excel and provide the access of your account in which you have created your MS Excel sheet. So I have created the sheet in OneDrive account. Okay, so I am providing the account details. Okay, since I was already logged in, that is why the authorization is successful automatically. Now it is asking me the workbook name. Well, you can see all the workbooks which are available in my account has appeared here automatically because I am connected. What is the name of my workflow? Well, it is all subscribers list. So let's go back to Pabbly Connect and search for the same all subscribers list, and you can see here is my list, here is my workbook. Now it is asking for the worksheet. Well, it has just a single sheet 1, which is automatically selected. Now I'm going to click on save and send test request, and it is going to capture the recent data which has been added to this particular sheet. So let's say I am adding some other details. Let's say a dummy user is the name of the subscriber, and email address is, let's say, admin@pabblytuts.com. Okay, now the number is 93333333333. Okay, just a random number, and again Bhopal is the city, let's assume that, and India is the country. Okay, so I have added the subscriber detail here in my MS Excel sheet. Let me correct the spelling, and now I am going to click on this button. Okay, let's click it. So you can see the response is received automatically after clicking on this button. Row index is 3, dummy user is the name of the subscriber, admin@pabblytuts.com. This is the number, city, country, every detail of this particular sheet has been captured here in Pabbly Connect. Now I'm going to send these details to the email marketing software. Well, which email marketing software? I am adding the details to Pabbly email marketing. Okay, so I'm going to select the same. In case you want to upload your subscribers in different email marketing software, simply select the application here, and in action event, again add a subscriber will be my action step. Well, I want to add the subscriber with custom details. Okay, I want to add further details also. Well, the number, city, country, that is why I have selected this particular action event. Now again, click on connect. Click on add new connection, and it is asking for the bearer token. From where I'm going to get this token? First, I'll have to log into this application. Okay, so let me log into Pabbly email marketing also. Where it is? Here it is. Well, Pabbly email marketing is the application of Pabbly only. I have reached here directly, and this is the dashboard I have reached. Let me read the instructions. Well, I'll have to go to integration tab, and here in the developer API, I can find my bearer token. So let's go back, click on integration section, click on developer API, and you can see here is my bearer token. Let me copy it and paste it here. And this is how I'm going to connect Pabbly email marketing with Pabbly Connect. Click on save, and you can see it is connected. Now it is asking for the list name. Well, I want to upload the data in which subscribers list. Let me check it first. Well, I have this list of subscribers, and I want to upload the subscriber data in this particular list only. That is why I am going to select the same list. You can see all the list has been captured automatically. List of subscribers. Here it is. Now it is asking for the name, email, mobile, city, etc. So I'm going to fill these details one by one. From where? From the above data. You can see when you will click on this field, it will say enter text or map the data. From where I'm going to map it? Right from here. And which is this data? What is this data? Well, it is the same data which we have captured in the previous step. Okay, you can read it. Insert data from previous step, and it is asking for the name. Let's map it. Asking for email, again map it. Now the city, now country. Well, I do not have the website, Facebook and age in my sheet. I just want to add these details only, and I have filled all these details. Now I'm going to click on this button, but before that, let me tell you, whatever the details we have mapped here will be changed automatically, will be replaced automatically as soon as a new data, a new response generated here. Okay, and it will be replaced. And let me correct this particular thing. I have mapped the email address here by mistaken, but phone number should be placed here. Okay, now I am going to click on this button, but before that, let me show you this list of subscribers. It has two details. Okay, demo user, test user. Click on this button, wait for the response. Well, success response is received. Go back, refresh it, and let me cross check this particular list of subscribers, and you can see the data, the email address which we have added with the help of MS Excel, okay, has been created, has been added automatically. Okay, admin@pabblytuts.com, dummy user, here's the number, city, country and the date as well. So this is how you can automate the process of adding the subscriber, creating the subscriber in email marketing software from Microsoft Excel. Now onwards, you do not have to copy the details every time. You do not have to manually upload the list every time. The data will be synced automatically. Well, I forgot to mention one more very important thing. Read here, every 8 hours. This trigger will check for the new data in every 8 hours. So this system will check for the new subscriber details for every 8 hours. So sometimes it might happen that you're adding the subscriber details here and it is not creating the subscriber immediately to Pabbly email marketing, or let's say to any other email marketing software. So don't worry about that. Read the instructions and rely on this automation. It is surely going to add the subscriber. You do not have to do anything manually. Just wait patiently. And in case you want to clone this particular setup into your account, I'm going to attach the shareable link in my description box, and from this particular link you can directly clone this particular setup to your account, that too for free. And let me tell you one more important thing. Once you have created this automation inside Pabbly Connect, you can simply close it. Pabbly Connect will take care all the automation tasks in backend, and you just have to sit back and relax. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.